ਵੀਡੀਓ 'ਚ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋ ਲਈ ਨੇ।
ਸਰ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ।
Yeah, this is the story of conference. Just this is our lunch.
And I don't have it.
And you don't have it.
So my name is Anna. I'm from Ukraine, and I study at University of Chemistry and Technology in Prague.
Hi, my name is Anastasia, and originally I'm from Russia, but now I'm studying in Czech Republic, and I'm doing my double degree.
चीज़ ओके चीज़ विद भाई क्या क्या खाना पड़ रहा है। इट्स लाइक एवरीथिंग डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम वेजिटेबल मार्केट। गुलाब जामुन इधर ले आओ भाई। ओ
Some of the old songs.
Hi guys, good afternoon and a very warm welcome to all of you. So today we are at NanoCon conference, which is occurring over here in Brno, and it's one of the biggest conference in Czech Republic. So let me give an overview of the place. So come.
But of course, this only means that antiferromagnets would play a passive role in the device. They would only freeze one of the ferromagnetic electrode, and that would be it.
The soft-gel process for the creation of the fibers, which is a segment of hydrolysis and condensation reaction.
In the area around down we have the conference halls where students are here for giving their presentation. Now I will show you the upper area where we have lunch and dinner and also the social events. So come with me. This is the first floor, and the area has a very nice interior, and you will see around. Yeah, this is the story of conference. Just this is our lunch.
And I don't have it.
And you don't have it. We have vegetarian food
And long spreader.
and a non-vegetarian for our Czech friend. So guys, after the lunch and coffee break, now it's the poster session and we are heading towards the posters. People from 19 countries have arrived over here and they are having display of their posters, so we will go and we will have a look. Come here. So guys, this is my poster. Guys, right now with me is a PhD student from Brno, and she would like to tell her about her research, what she is currently doing. Yeah, so over to you.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, my name is Renata Komičeva, and I'm focused mainly on production of active compounds from cyanobacteria, as well as microalgae and others. And we are trying to extract the active compounds, characterize them, and then pack them into, for example, nanofibers, like here. And mainly we focused on application in food science and cosmetics. So we try also the cytotoxicity on high-cut cell line, and we proved that it's non-cytotoxic and it's applicable in this type of industry.
Oh, thank you very much, and I wish you good luck.
Thank you so much.
So guys, अभी मैं यहाँ पे पोस्टर्स देख रहा था एंड आई फाउंड अ पाकिस्तानी पर्सन और इनसे मिलते हैं. हाँ जी भाई, क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम गुलाम अब्बास है. मैं चार्ल्स यूनिवर्सिटी प्राग में PhD कर रहा हूँ और हरास्क इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री पे चेक अकेडमी ऑफ साइंसेज में जॉब करता हूँ. तो मेरा जो है वो वर्क है यहाँ पे जिसमें हम बेसिक जो है वो ग्राफीन जो कि एक 2D मटेरियल है और जिसमें हम जो है वो इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री की स्टडी करते हैं. फंडामेंटल स्टडी है फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री की जिसमें हम जो है वो इसको एज ए सुपर कैपेसिटर अप्लाई करना चाह रहे हैं और इसकी जो है वो माइक्रो ड्रॉपलेट स्पेक्ट्रोइलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री एक टेक्निक है जो कि लेटेस्ट डेवलप है जो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं जिसको हम जो है वो एज ए फंडामेंटल स्टडी के तौर पे हम यूज़ करना चाह रहे हैं.
तो इसकी एप्लीकेशन जो है वो मार्केट में सुपर कैपेसिटर
और सुपर कैपेसिटर एट अ वेरी माइक्रो स्केल लाइक यू कैन सी हियर कि ये 10 to 20 माइक्रोन जो है हम एरिया लेते हैं सैंपल का और उसमें हम स्टडी करते हैं विद लाइक इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री प्लस स्पेक्ट्रो.
So guys, I found one more person और I just spoke to him. He is from Pakistan. So अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई.
वालेकुम सलाम. कैसे हैं भाई?
बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक. तो बताएं थोड़ा अपने बारे में, नाम और
मेरा
कहाँ से?
नाम फराज है और बेसिकली मैं पेशावर से, मेरा ताल्लुक़ है पाकिस्तान से और मैं यहाँ पे स्लोवाकिया टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ता हूँ और मैं यहाँ नैनोकॉन कॉन्फ्रेंस में आया हूँ और अपना रिसर्च प्रेजेंट करने के लिए. और मैं असल में काम कर रहा हूँ टाइटेनियम कार्बाइड मैक्सिन पे और ये जो एप्लीकेशन है सोलर सेल के लिए हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं. तो मैक्सिन के इस्तेमाल की वजह से हम सोलर सेल के एप्लीकेशन को इन्हांस करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
तो अभी कहाँ कितनी एफिशिएंसी पे आप पहुँचे हैं?
अभी एफिशिएंसी जो है ओवरऑल जो मैक्सिन बेस्ड जो सोलर सेल्स हैं एफिशिएंसी जो है इसकी अराउंड 20 है. तो हम भी 20 के आसपास ही हैं लेकिन प्राइमरी पर्पस जो है वो मैक्सिन की वजह से जो ऑप्टिकल और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं वो इन्हांस करना है. तो हम ज़्यादा फोकस उस साइड पर कर रहे हैं.
चलें, गुड लक. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
We have a colleague over here, and I want you to see her work. She's welcome over here in Brno for NanoCon, and let's ask her about her experience over here. So, tell us something about yourself. Where are you from, and which university you are working your work?
Okay, so my name is Anna. I'm from Ukraine, and I study at University of Chemistry and Technology in Prague, and I'm on the master's degree. And my work is I'm making the new catalyst on the reduced graphite oxide with using iron and nitride centers catalyst, and also we immobilize the super nanoparticles.
So, what is the aim of this nanoparticles in compliance with this, like this research? You prepare this material for what application?
In the fuel cells, in oxygen reduction reaction.
So, for enhancing the.
Yeah, instead of expensive palladium catalyst. It's like some alternative
Do you
catalyst.
think it will be commercialized or it's good enough for commercial purposes?
I think yeah, because it's better to work with reduced graphite oxide. It's not that expensive, and it has more stability than palladium.
Good luck for your work.
I have one more PhD student with me over here. Now she will explain about herself. What is the aim of her study and what is she doing? So over to you.
Hi, my name is Anastasia, and originally I'm from Russia, but now I'm studying in Czech Republic, and I'm doing my double degree in Czech Republic. So, and my work connected with vaccines, and we perform like a plasma-induced electrochemical modification of vaccines, and that helps us to prolong the life of vaccines. Because, as you know, maybe you know that vaccines very fast oxidate in oxygen-containing media. So, and using iodinium salt, we try to prolong their life, and using like anodic material. So here you can see my poster.
All right. So I wish you good luck for your future work,
Thank you.
and good luck for your PhD.
Graphene in symmetrical, sustainable supercapacitator with record energy density. The author is Vernika Shirayeva.
So guys, poster session, so let's focus on food. So now we are going towards dinner.
So finally, I've got my food. Is it typical Czech? No. Seems like some ice cream. Egg? Okay. चीज़ ओके चीज़ विद भाई क्या क्या खाना पड़ रहा है. So it's like everything directly from vegetable market without any spices. So I'm trapped between two Indians and you want to see one. Oh, one is over there saying hi. So okay, South Indian vlogger,
South Indian from Kerala.
Kerala YouTuber from Kerala. Yeah. So you would what would you like to have in dinner? Or are you just on dieting? You want
So I think I'll go for something good.
We also have a Czech girl. She is explaining everything to us. Yes. Yeah, गुलाब जामुन इधर ले आओ भाई. Oh, ये तो कुछ. Yeah, please vegetarian. Yeah, vegetarian.
Oh, you're also?
Yeah.
No fanta point.
Yeah, vegetarian.
Okay.
This is-
another ticket. This is normal ticket.
This is vegetarian corner. So guys, we just had appetizer and now this is the food, purely vegetarian, with one of my friend. Okay, thank you. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Please put one for me as well. Thank you. एक और रख दें. Yeah.
ਵੀਡੀਓ 'ਚ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਨਾ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋ ਲੈ ਜਾਣੇ
सर कोई नहीं